Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I will show you something nice from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and this is basically a free VPN from Samsung.
Nice.
Which allows you to use one gig of data through that VPN. So if you need it while you're connected to some public networks, something like that, it's good for your protection. So for this, what you want to do is go to Security and Privacy, Secure Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on Protect. But one thing I would recommend, you could turn on this Auto Protect Wi-Fi, and this will automatically turn on when you connect to an unknown Wi-Fi. Maybe you wanna be safe on the internet. This is it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.